So guys, we are in Stockholm, we're in Sweden. Bit of a different start of the vlog this time. We didn't film our trip. Thought we would, it's a bit of a different trip. We're not really here for an event per se. We are trying to do something a bit different for our channel. So we're creating, like we already started in Dubai, these little short videos called Drivers Stories. What we're trying to do is we're trying to create short pieces about people that are quite interested in the car scene. They're doing interesting things with cars, have quite interesting business. Maybe it's related to cars, maybe it's not. So we're basically filming one in Stockholm this weekend, and it kind of starts off with this small event. Even though I said we're not here for an event, today is kind of like a small event at the Porsche service center. The guy that we're here to film is called David, and he not only has an unbelievable cool collection of Porsches, also has a really cool brand that creates custom watches, leather jackets, jeans, and a lot of other small leather goods. And so let's go meet him. I was given a bit of an intro there to our vlog of where we are, but I can't remember the name of this place.
It's a long one. It's two actually. It's Porsche Center Haninge,
Okay.
but it's also Porsche Service Center K3. So we're confused as well.
So we're still in Stockholm, right?
Yeah.
That's all.
We're just about on the outskirts of Stockholm. Yeah, not far.
Cool. Okay, so I'm with David, who has flown us out to Stockholm to kind of create this driver story about yourself. Yeah, so tell us, really brief. Now we're going to get into this in the main video, but really for this one, it's just kind of like.
Also, Tunnel Raiders is my annual event. This is the third year that I've done it. Classic sports car event.
Okay.
People come out and hang out for a bit, and then we drive through tunnels of Stockholm.
Yeah, and you're going to have about 60 cars?
Oh, well,
50, 60?
First year, about 30 cars maybe, and then the second year was 65. So we'll see. This year might be over 100.
100 cars.
Yeah.
So there's like two tunnels that go under Stockholm, are they? Or it kind of starts here at the Porsche Service Center, where it's just kind of like a chill, kind of meet up, and then everyone sets off and kind of drives in a big convoy. So it's going to be pretty cool today, and then the rest of the week we're actually filming with David. We're going to go to his garage, see some of his car collections, which you have 6 Porsches?
A few. 5, I think, 5 projects going,
So 5 projects ongoing, and I'm looking forward to it. So
alright, me too.
We'll go have a look at some of the cars.
It's really warm. Really warm.
Really warm. And I didn't bring shorts. Did you bring shorts, James?
Nope.
Here, while we remember, there's a little air freshener.
Ah, nice. Thanks.
No problem.
What's the smell?
Bubble gum.
Sweet.
For the car.
Oh,
I have a couple more. Just think about some people you can
put it in under.
Yeah.
It's probably a good idea.
They're bubble gum.
Yeah, they are. Really nice.
But yeah, I've got a few more, so when later you can maybe know some of your friends, we can give some out.
Put them here.
Yeah.
A thingy?
A thingy to put on.
Very technical, Adam.
Thank you.
It's very curvy. Success.
You can help this bit rather than
Do you want to run us through the setup?
Marvellous, that's what it is. It's 4 suction cups,
Yeah.
a lot of clamps,
What are the clamps?
2 poles, Manfrotto clamps.
The best of the best.
2 poles that found at a good diameter online. So I picked these and then I custom made these little clamp things.
And that's rigged on the what?
And then I used just masonry bolts basically to clamp it onto this isolator I bought, which is a Pro Aim isolator. And then there's actually a Ronin mount, and then I got a Pro Aim movie mount which goes onto the Ronin mount. So if you want to use a Ronin, you just go like that and bang your Ronin plate, or if you want to use a movie, it's bang your movie.
That's good.
This is what we've done to your car.
We could feel that something was, locked in tight. Yeah.
So the camera goes here,
Okay.
and then
You control it from the inside.
So
or?
we'll need to be in the back seat if
Yeah,
that's
that's
okay.
perfectly fine, yeah.
But I just realised that we never put a safety line on it, so I need to put a safety on it just in case it falls off.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
Yeah.
What was that wee strip? What it does? This is actually a G, made to look like an F. So it's basically a G, but they put the smaller bumpers, arches, front arches, bonnet, and even the back bumper all off a F. Fiberglass though, I think, on this one.
It's actually pretty nice that it's cool in here now.
Yeah. So, we never finished yesterday.
Oh, what happened yesterday?
Never explained what happened yesterday. Basically, we did the tunnel run. We had a bit of issue with some batteries in the movie. And then I decided to do a drone shot with my brand new drone.
How long
And
have you had the drone?
got it Monday. It was Thursday. Yeah, the drone's gone, basically. That's the only way to say it. It's just gone. Apparently when it hits 30% battery, you should bring it back. So typically I wait to about 20% because my last drone will 20% is fine. But in this drone, as soon as it hit 20%, the battery started to plummet, like really go down. And then I was bringing it back and it went to 10%. And when it goes to 10%, it automatically starts to land. And it just started landing wherever it was. And it said landing in 8 seconds. So I had 8 seconds to land the drone. And it was about 600 meters away from me. So, or 500, 600 probably, maybe more. Yeah, so we spent about 2 hours looking for it, didn't we?
Yep, we did not find it.
We did not find it. But we are we're in David's garage, and he has a few Porsches. Just a few. Not all his, but mostly his. And yeah. Which ones are yours, real quick?
That one,
Yeah.
the olive, the black one.
Yeah, that's your daily.
Oh yeah,
That's
yeah. Basically, yeah. That's the car. The green, the red. That's the car that I'm building for a friend. The green one, and the blue one, the Smurf.
Which is we seen yesterday, so
Yeah.
awesome. Before actually we get started though, we have 2 t-shirts and a garage banner. We actually have a small garage banner.
We gotta hang this up. And
So
gotta film this.
but yeah, we got there's a large and an extra large. You can give the extra large away maybe, but this one maybe strikes you as a caffeine cruiser. See, so I know you like your coffee.
Yeah, nice one. Nice.
So
Thank you.
no worries.
That's awesome.
It's actually got a Porsche on it as well. Have you noticed? Can you tell me what body that is?
That's a G body. Looks like it.
Yeah.
Looks like a mix of a 964 and a G body actually.
because it got the big bumper at the front.
Yeah, and the back looks like a 964. It's sweet though. Thank you.
Yeah, you're all good.
This is a good size. See the other one.
Yeah, it's gonna be big. This is that's actually gonna be it's
This
either
was the
it's gonna be
XL.
it's gonna be this one I think. I'm wearing.
That's what you're wearing? Yeah, that's big. Maybe not too big though.
Well, you can give that one away. We can send you one in the smaller size.
I'll try it. I'll try it later.
These are the ones we were showing you yesterday. These are like the new cut and sew ones we're doing. So it's like little labels here and below the
Still
pocket.
printing it.
It's got like tire smokers, kind of like.
Yeah, I like that one. So cool.
So a bit,
What's it say?
ILB Driver Club tire smokers. If you turn around, James, it's like this packet's in there,
Oh yeah.
and that's like the tire. Yeah, same with the smoke. Here's the setup. We got the FS7 light, chair, Porsche light. Taking the bulbs out so we can control the light a bit more. The movie is a second angle. This flag on this just because. Spotlight for a hair light. And here's James.
Yeah, so I'm David Campo, and I'm the founder of Nezumi Studios and president of Roughneck Brigade, and I'm based in Stockholm, Sweden.
You're basically full supporter now. You're now a part of the ILB Drivers Club as well.
Yeah. Look at this.
You got the T on and everything.
Yeah. So let's
Sweet.
hang this up, make it official.
Sweet. There we go. Well, that wraps up the garage. Next up we've got, yeah, you need to move the vacuum cleaner. I was thinking that as well. Is that a vacuum cleaner? Yeah. Carhartt's your vacuum cleaner. Pretty lit. So that wraps up the garage shoot. Next, we're gonna go do some footage of the design studio, designing some watches and stuff like that.
It's terrible. Absolutely terrible.